good afternoon everyone. Exhibition of Mr. Pradyuman Singh Jadeja. He is a very famous photographer from Gujarat, state of Gujarat, and this exhibition is arranged with the help of Gujarat State Lalit Kala Academy. Okay, he is Mr. Pradyuman Singh Jadeja, the photographer. Among us we are having our VC Vice Chairman ESG, Madam Dilala Lobo. I kindly request Pradyuman Singh to welcome the chief guest. Photographer Pradyuman Singh to kindly welcome our ESG Vice Chairman.
Thank you.
Yes.
कोई दूसरा किसको नहीं देना? सबसे पहले तो मैं ESG का आभार मानूंगा। मैं गुजरात से गोवा में दूसरी बार एग्जीबिशन के लिए आया हूँ मैडम। पहली बार जब गोवा के मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पारीकर साहब थे और मेरा राजस्थान की जो होली है उसके पर एग्जीबिशन था, वो मुझे इनॉग्रेशन के लिए वो आए थे मनोहर पारीकर साहब जी और श्रीपद जी नायक थे। और दूसरी बार मैं आया मैडम, तो आज मैं आपको कहना इसलिए शुक्रिया अदा आपका करूँगा कि मैं फ़्लाइट से थोड़ी बारिश के हिसाब से गड़बड़ हो गई और हम एक दिन लेट पहुँचे, लेकिन यहाँ के हम वृंदावन सर और जो सब स्टाफ है उसने मुझे खूब हेल्प किया। और खुशी की बात तो ये है कि एक कलाकार को मैडम आप सबको मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि यहाँ आया तो मेरा इनॉग्रेशन के लिए मैं किसी को पहचानता नहीं था, तो मैडम को वृंदावन सर ने बोला, तो मैडम ने एक ही बार में हमको ऑफिस में बुलाया और मैडम ने बोल दिया कि मैं आपके एग्जीबिशन में इनॉग्रेशन के लिए आऊँगा। तो मैं सबसे पहले मैं मैडम का शुक्रिया अदा करूँगा, क्योंकि हमारे गोवा में, हमारे गुजरात में गवर्नमेंट कलाकार को कहीं ग्रांट देती है एग्जीबिशन के लिए, कहीं के हमारी जो संस्कृति है गुजरात की वो विभिन्न राज्यों में बताई जाती है। तो गोवा के लोग के लिए ये मैडम हमारे जूनागढ़ के जो साधु संत है उसका जप और तप, एक शिवरात्रि का मेला होता है वर्ष में, वहाँ पे ये सब अपने अंदाज में वो आते हैं और कहीं टूरिस्टर और कहीं लोग वहाँ पे आते हैं। और आप मेरे मैडम, आप मेरे एग्जीबिशन में आए, मैं आपको शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ और ESG के सभी मेंबर को मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। वृंदावन सर का भी मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ, प्रवीण सर ने भी मुझे हेल्प किया, विपुल सर जो थे यहाँ उसने भी मुझे सब हेल्प किए, तो मैं सभी लोगों को आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। अस्तु, भारत माता।
उनका नाम भी मालूम नहीं,
उसको भी मालूम नहीं। जब बाहर आते हैं तो हमारी जो मिनिस्ट्री होती है गवर्नमेंट से, वो सब वहाँ पे, लेकिन वो किसी को नहीं पहचानते। हम भी वहाँ के होते तो हमारा डिस्टेंस 50 किलोमीटर का है, लेकिन हम भी किसी को नहीं पहचानते।
ओके ओके ओके। साधूज ऑफ गुजरात हु लिव इन केव्स, केविनी रावतात ते गुफांनी थंयसर रावतात आनी वर्साक एकूच पावटी भायर सरतात, ते जाल्यार महाशिवरात्रीक भायर सरतात। सो दे नोबडी नोज देयर नेम्स और फ्रॉम देयर वेर अबाउट। सो हे आमचो इतिहास आनी कितली वर्सां ते रावतात, की तेंचे आयुश कितें, ते कितें खातात, मीन्स दे आर ऑल इन मेडिटेशन मोड, डीपली मेडिटेटिंग। आम्ही आमचे संवसारी जिवीत कितें, वी आर ऑल बिजी अबाउट दीस थिंग, बट दीज आर स्पिरिच्युअल सोल्स। आनी वर्साक एक पावटी महाशिवरात्रीक ते गुजरातान भायर सरतात। So please, I welcome each one of you all the Goans especially, to come and visit these 3 days paintings of a great painter Bab Jadeja from Gujarat. हाँ
तो
जी
मैं
हाँ
आपकी
जी,
कॉन्टेक्ट में रहूँगा और मैं भी आपको उस जगह पे ले जाऊँगा।
yes yes yes.
वहाँ पे आउट कंट्री के लोग भी बहुत आते हैं। वो एक 12 एक ही पग में खड़े रह के जो तपस्या करते हैं, उसको हमारे यहाँ तपस्या, उसको एक ही पग पे खड़े रहते हैं।
So he is on one leg. On one leg he sits for meditation for years together, and once a year they come out in reverence and respect and in honor of our Lord Shiva. You know, these are all works of Lord Shiva. Only once a year they move out from their wherever they see. As you can see, they have absolutely nothing on their body. You know, nothing. Means the necessity of life is only your creator. They are in that touch with your creator. So they don't need आम्ही हे कपडे घालतात आणि हे घालतात सजयतात आमकां. What is bare necessity is life after death. To be in touch with your, the creator. So you can see here nothing. Most of them I was noticing have nothing except for this mala, and they are in meditation mode for years together, years, and they live like that without water. Also, only in that meditation mode for years together, and that is what their life is. आम्ही आमच्या फाल्याची चिंता, फाल्या कितें जेवणाक कितें, रातचे जेवणाक कितें. See, this is what it is. To be in touch with your, they are in different class and different, and some of them they live for, centuries, 200 years, 300 years, he was explaining. But only once a year they come out with deep faith in Lord Shiva. So that it is. As आमचो very famous painter आमच्या मध्ये हा Bab Jadeja. He has displayed his paintings of sadhus from Gujarat, and he is being helped by Gujarat State Lalit Kala Academy. आणि 3 दीस एक्झिबिशन आमच्या ह्या ESG आर्ट गॅलरीन आसतले 27, 28, 29. हांव आमच्या सगळ्या गोंयच्या कलाकारांक आनी आमच्या गोंयकारांक उलो करता. हे मुद्दम करून आमच्या ESGच्या हॉलान आर्ट गॅलरीन येवचे. हे 3 दीस तेजे एक्झिबिशन आसतले and come and experience the beautiful paintings done by Jadeja. He's come all the way from Gujarat to display his beautiful paintings of sadhus from Gujarat. आणि आमच्या गोंयकारांनी आमच्या गोंयचे कलाकार स्पेशली द पेंटर्स should come and watch this and help him in his mission to reach out to the ends of India and the world in promoting his paintings. I thank our staff, all of you all the HODs and everyone. You all have been working throughout the year, and thank you all for all the help you all give to me as a vice chairman, and wish you all the very best in the upcoming IFFI. And your correspondence through WhatsApp at least should be with me, so that I also am updated about whatever is going on. And I thank you all for all the hard work what you all put in to make this ESG better and brighter every time. I wish Bab Jadeja all the very best. May your work spread the ends of our great country. Oh, आमचो इतिहास. This is a history. We don't know. आम्ही फकत आमचे लेटेस्ट पेंटिंग्स पासून पळयना, खबर आसना. हे आमच्या गोंयच्या कलाकारांकूय जाणा जावपाची इट इज अ नीड ऑफ द आर. And especially our kids. Oh, आमचो इतिहास बाबा. I think the names of the sadhus are there. And if you can put a small explanation of what they did in their lifetime. What we can see is only him and his name. But if you can make a small write-up, small write-up. What he did for Gujarat or for himself, that he became a sadhu. That we as laymen or whoever is going to come as a layman will not know. We will only know, Baba, this fellow is, this man is this great sadhu. But how did he become sadhu? How he changed himself and what he did for the society. That is more important. Whoever will enter here in this next 3 days, they will only say, only those who are very interested will Google and find out about his life. So if you can make a small write-up, sit down today, make a small write-up and just put at the end over there about his life. It's not only here or wherever your painting will go, so that the layman who comes, even my staff who comes, they should know, Baba, he is this great man. I don't. Very few, only those who are very, very interested will Google and find out about his life. So this is what I would request you, which will benefit the viewer. Yeah. And thank you very much for inviting me, for having me here. God bless.
Thank you.